Alright, so today we're going to be installing an exhaust on my 2004 Softail Lowrider S. So this bike right here is brand new. Only thing done to it is we did a Bung King risers, 8 inches up, 2 inches back, a bunch of Gorilla cables to get everything correct. We did some new grips as well because the factory ones are kind of just hard and they just aren't that great. We also did thrashing bags. These things are pretty legit. We went camping 800 miles up to Bishop and I was able to pack everything, strap everything over the top, and it was a good time. So this bike right here, from factory, this had 4 miles on it when I bought it. The way it is pretty good, but sounds like electric bike. Lane splitting is sketch because no one can hear me. So I wanted to fix that, and we're going to fix that by installing some Tab Performance exhausts. These are going to be slip-ons. It's not going to be a whole exhaust system for right now because I don't want to void my warranty, and it's just not in my ballpark right now, so I can't do it. But I just want to be able to, I want to be heard. Loud pipes save lives. So this will do it for now. Let's get this thing started, actually. Let you guys hear it. Okay, obviously, I feel like one really difficult thing with this whole setup, it's really hard to hear and get quality sound from videos, but hopefully with these Rode mics, it'll be a little better than the videos you can find on YouTube. Okay, so hopefully you can hear that. As you can tell, I don't know. It's loud, but not when you're on it. It's not very loud when you're lane splitting. So we're gonna start taking this off. I just want people to know, if you're watching this, you probably subscribe for the pre-runner. The pre-runner, it's summertime. I still have it. It's still here. I'm still using it, still working on it, but it's summertime. It's a new bike, new project. So most of my videos are going to start being of this. I'll put it in a different category. So if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to. So this is the stock exhaust, as you can see. The plan is to eventually do 2-into-1. I want to do all stainless, TIG welded. I like that look. The Ranger has a bunch of TIG welded stainless exhaust, so it'd be cool to match. But I don't like how far it sticks out, but it is what it is. With doing slip-ons, you can do some S&S stuff, and they're a little shorter, but they're more expensive. This set right here was just under 700 bucks. Not California legal, but that's what it sounds like. So hopefully it sounds good. We'll do a little comparison when I get the slip-ons on. In this box, we have Tab Performance slip-on exhaust. I really wanted to go with the Zombie baffles, which is like their loudest slip-on, but I was talked down to doing the 2.25 louvered core baffles. This is like a medium, like deeper, like throaty, more sounding exhaust. These are interchangeable. You can go with a quiet, medium, or loud, or no baffles at all. But I'm starting in the middle. The middle seems like a good place to start. So let's get this opened. The one thing that sold me on doing a Lowrider S is, first I got like $8,000 off the top of it, so I feel like I got a pretty good deal. It was 27. Anyway, I got it for just a little over 20, 22, I think. But I really hate chrome. Chrome is just not something I'm interested in, and this bike had no chrome on it, so I liked it. So luckily, these come chrome, but you just slip your heat shield back over it from factory. And also, you don't need to use the gasket. So these are designed to work perfectly without a gasket. Looks pretty good, very chrome. This is the baffled ends, which I kind of like. Kind of gives it little style points, which is cool. Those ends are actually pretty sick. So next, we're just going to start pulling off the heat shield and then slip off the exhaust. It's also 4th of July. That's why I'm wearing all this red, white, and blue. But I wear it anyways, whether it's 4th of July or not, because I stand behind America. Let's get it. All right, to get started, we're going to take off the heat shield, but we need to slightly rotate it because they will interfere. We got it done. Honestly, that was super simple. I think running all my cables through my risers was way harder than that. If I wasn't filming, this would have taken probably 25 minutes. Super simple, slip on, real simple, easy, bada bing, bada boom. So we're gonna start it. This is gonna be a cold start, first time started. I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous. Let's see what it's, let's listen to the, I'm so excited I can't even speak. Let's start this thing and see what it sounds like. So you saw the install of the exhaust. Now we're gonna go ride. I'm gonna go meet Chris. We're gonna get some coffee, see what the town's doing for 4th of July, and maybe grab some food. Very awkward. What are you gonna get?
Actually, I think I'm gonna take a root beer float.
Or I want a dreamsicle.
Okay, so just right around the corner over here, I got pulled over in the pre-runner, and Chris on the way here today got pulled over by the same police officer or CHP that I did. Tell him what happened.
Blew a stop sign, didn't see him, and he was right there, pulled me over. Nicest guy ever. I don't know what Jason's talking about. Let me go with a warning.
Yeah, all right, whatever you want to say about him. He was I must have just got him on an off day. just not the right day. Anyways, pretty nice weather out here.
Or maybe it's the fact that you're driving a pre-runner around, you know.
Could definitely been the pre-runner that isn't normal around the mountain. When I called his sergeant, I was told that first thing he said to me is like, "Oh, you're the guy driving a full-blown trophy truck around the mountain." And it's definitely not a trophy truck, but I didn't know how to take it as a compliment. Is that a compliment?
Yes.
Nice guy though. I did look up my fines, and $780-ish, almost $800. Just pay it all off and don't worry about it and never drive on the mountain again, basically. So overall, really excited that I picked this right here. There was a couple other exhaust companies I was going to choose from, but this has, I mean, they're a little longer than I wanted them to be. Like, I'd like it to be a little shorter, but with the baffles in it, it's kind of hard to do that. So, I mean, it looks really good. I like the baffle tip ends. It's like a little stylish. There's not a whole bunch of chrome. Like I talked about before, I hate chrome. So, this is a good sounding pipe right here. This slip-on is perfect. I like how it's in the middle range, because I could either go quieter or I can go louder at this point. But right now it's perfect. It's got enough like throaty, like bald eagle sounding noises coming out of it. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you guys are into the Harley stuff, make sure to subscribe. If you're into the pre-runner stuff that I normally post, desert season comes back around, we'll be back on that thing. But right now it's summertime. We're just going to try to ride and hang out. So subscribe, share with your friends, you know the drill, whatever. Check us out, downformobbing.com. We got a bunch of apparel. We're going to start pushing Harley apparel. So thanks everybody for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.